Well, you can draw a scatter plot in Excel. All you have to do is select the data, insert, and choose scatter plot. With the QI macros, simply select your data, just like you would for Excel. Come down and choose our scatter plot. And it'll add the trend line, put in the R squared, the fits. If you need to, you can switch the axis, because sometimes they're backwards. And if you want to see the confidence intervals, just change that to true. And it'll show you all of the confidence intervals. So the QI macros scatter plot gives you a lot more information very quickly and without a lot of trouble. Are you still using line, bar, and pie charts from the last century? You might want to consider control charts, Pareto charts, and histograms, smart charts for the 21st century.